Good morning, ma'am.
How are you, Beta?
We are fine, ma'am. We are fine. How are you?
I'm also fine. So, how's your day?
Ma'am, good day. Nice day. Good day. Ma'am, my day was very nice. How was your day?
Okay, so what is our today's work?
Worksheet. Worksheet, ma'am.
Yes, Beta.
Ma'am, worksheet. Worksheet, ma'am. Ma'am, how are you, ma'am? We are fine.
Yes, today we will do the worksheet.
Ma'am, how
Chapter
was
3
your day?
Before starting our worksheet, we will do the prayer. Everyone, ready? Everyone on your feet. Turn your hand.
Om Bhurbhuva Svah Tatsavituर्varenyam Bhargo Devasya Dhimahi Dhiyo Yo Na Prachodayat Om Bhurbhuva Svah Tatsavituर्varenyam Bhargo Devasya Dhimahi Dhiyo Yo Na Prachodayat
I should be closed.
Rub your hands. Do exercise 6 times.
Okay.
Wow.
Now, the exercise. Hold your ears.
5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
4, 5. Done?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So, who has
Ma'am,
a thought of the day?
I have a thought. Can I tell?
There is so many thoughts. I am smiling because God is teaching me to be strong. Mak Patel has given thought. I am smiling because God is teaching me to be strong. God is saying that we should become strong. Okay, when we will become strong, we will do anything. Okay, and we will smile forever. Okay, so this is our today's thought. I am smiling because God is teaching me to be strong. Okay, done. Now everyone open your worksheet. We will do worksheet chapter number 3 and 11. Everyone is ready? Everyone is ready, beta? Yes? Okay, so now I'm going to share the screen of worksheet. Okay? Everyone open your worksheet. Open your chapter number 3, page number 7. Okay? Everyone is ready? Everyone is ready, beta? Okay. Now give the answer. First is unscramble the word. First is unscramble the word. First letter will make, yes, tropical. It's a tropical. First is tropical. We will make tropical, tropical. Okay, so write here tropical. Okay, now second will make SNADSTOMR will make, yes, give answer, sandstorm. Okay, very good. Sandstorm. And third is climate. Okay, third is climate. CILAMATE. It will make climate. Okay. Now fourth is CNOTEILTNAL. It will make, yes, continental. Mahi, I did the correction here. See beta. See. You have to write this. Okay. And fourth is continental. Fourth is continental. 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 And fifth is MRAINTIE. It will make, yes, maritime. Correct. Maritime. Maritime is correct answer. Maritime. Okay. Now next question is, how many types of climate are there? How many types of climate are there? Who will give answer? Yes, 7. Very good. We have 7 types of climate. We have 7 types of climate. Equatorial climate, monsoon climate, desert climate, extreme climate, moderate climate, Mediterranean climate, and tundra climate. Okay, we have 7 types of climate. So write here, write your first answer there. There are 7 types of climate. There are 7 types of climate. There are 7 types of climate. Okay. Now next question is, in which region equatorial climate lies? Equatorial climate lies near the equator. No, in tundra nahi beta, near equator. Equatorial climate found near the equator. Yes, near equator. Equatorial climate lies near NER near the equator. Near the equator. Near the equator. Equatorial climate lies near the equator. Okay, now third is which type of forest are found in equatorial climate? Which type of forest are found in equatorial climate? Give me answer. Yes, I will send you the PDF, beta. Yes, everyone is giving correct answer. Evergreen. What happened, Ansh? What happened, Ansh? Here is answer number 3. Evergreen forests are found in equatorial climate. Okay, evergreen forest. Third answer is evergreen forest are found in equatorial climate. Okay, which type of which types of forests are found in equatorial climate? Evergreen forest found in equatorial climate. Okay, done. Evergreen forests are found in equatorial climate. Okay. Now next is which animal are found in tropical climate? Which animals are found in tropical climate? Domestic animals. Domestic animals. Our fourth answer is domestic animals such as, who will give this answer? Domestic animals such as, give the example. Yes, cow, dog, donkey, buffalo, goat, sheep. Okay, these are our domestic animals. So, which animals are found in tropical climate? Domestic animals such as goat, cow, sheep, camel, etc. Cow, goat, sheep, camel, etc. See again the fourth answer. Domestic animals such as goat, cow, sheep, camel. Goat, cow, sheep, camel. Done. Now next is Which thing is common in the desert climate? Which thing is the common in desert climate? Which thing is common in the desert climate? Answer is sandstorm is common in desert climate. Sandstorm is common in desert climate. Correct answer, sandstorm is common in desert climate. Sandstorm is common in desert climate. Done? Now turn your page, page number 8. Page number 8, everyone open. Now you have to draw exercise 1. Draw the diagram of heat zone of the earth and label it. Okay. So you have to draw this from page number 21. Which diagram? Heat zones. In which given like this, 3 heat zone. Of the earth. Here is sun. Okay, this is 0 degree. इस तरीके से आपकी टेक्स्ट बुक में दिया हुआ है. ओके, इट इज गिवन इन योर टेक्स्ट बुक, पेज नंबर 21. ओके, so you have to draw it from there. Okay, everyone. Okay. You have to draw diagram of heat zone. But abhi nahi, you have to do it in homework. Okay. Shlok. Okay, today is Daksh birthday. Okay, happy birthday, Daksh. Happy birthday, Daksh. Okay, see. Fill in the blanks. Days are hot and nights are cold in desert. Cold in desert. Right? First answer, desert. Days are hot, nights are cold in desert. Days are hot, nights are cold in desert. Days are hot and nights are cold in desert. Cold in desert. Okay. Now second is the cool air from land is. The cool air from land is. Who will give this answer? Yes, correct answer. It's okay, beta. Land breeze. Okay. Land breeze. Okay, done. It is land breeze. The cool air from land is called land breeze. Okay, and the cool air from sea is called Who will give this answer? Yes, correct answer. Sea breeze. Sea breeze. Okay, now the cool air done. This is done. The place near sea has. You have to cut the R and write here has. The place near sea has. The place near sea has. Which type of climate? Yes, correct answer. Moderate. Yes. Right here, moderate climate. Cut off also. Moderate climate. Moderate climate. Okay, now here is Mavashin Ram. Mavashin Ram gets the highest or heaviest rainfall in India. Mavashin Ram get the highest rainfall in India. Okay. Done, beta. Now answer in one word. Next page. Answer in one word. Next page. Moisture present in atmosphere. Moisture present in atmosphere is called or is known as humidity. Known as humidity. Okay. Moisture present in atmosphere known as humidity. Okay, now second question. Which wind are called rain-bearing wind? The winds which contain moisture known as rain-bearing winds. Winds which contain moisture known as rain-bearing winds. Okay, done. Which wind known as or called as rain-bearing wind? The winds which contain moisture known as rain-bearing winds. Okay, now third question is, which part of Arctic Ocean is ice-free throughout the year? Throughout the year. Answer is Monmouth. Okay, answer is Monmouth. Answer is Monmouth. Done, beta? Complete your day 3. Answer in one word. Which winds are called rain-bearing winds? The winds which contain moisture known as rain-bearing winds. Done. Now third is part of Arctic Ocean is ice free throughout the year. Which part of Arctic Ocean is ice free throughout the year? It's Murmansk. M-U-R-M-A-N-S-K. M-U-R-M-A-N-S-K. Murmansk. Okay, Murmansk Port. Murmansk Port. Done, everyone? बेटा इस हे को नव्या, मनन, बेटा ये हे नाम की आईडी जिसकी भी है ना, उस पे फोकस नहीं करना है. एंड डोंट गिव द स्टिकर्स. ओके. बेटा डायग्राम आपको बाद में बनाना है. ओके. ओपन योर पेज नंबर. नाउ ओपन योर चैप्टर नंबर 11 इन वर्कशीट. Nitya, what is this? Now page number 10, chapter number 11. Page number 10, chapter number 11. Everyone. Day 1. Day 1. Exercise 1. Fill in the blanks. First is prevention is better than cure. Prevention is better than cure. Prevention is better than cure. Then now second is we should do exercise regularly to stay healthy. We should do exercise regularly to stay healthy. We should eat healthy food and balanced diet. Right here D also. Balanced diet. Balanced diet. Then we should eat healthy food and balanced diet. Now third is write true or false. First is our normal body temperature is 98.9 degrees Celsius. It is true or false? Give me answer. Yes, it is false. Our normal body temperature is 98.4 degrees Celsius. First is false. Okay, it is false. Now second is our temperature is measured in Celsius. Now tell me it is true or false. Our temperature is measured in Celsius. It is true or false? Beta, do the number. Second number is true or false? It is false. It is also false. Because we have two scales. We measure our body temperature in Celsius and Fahrenheit. Our temperature is measured in both Celsius and Fahrenheit. But this statement is saying with Celsius. It means only Celsius. So it is also false. It is also false. Now next is we can use the thermometer to measure the temperature of our body. It is also true. It is true. Okay? And stethoscope is used to check our heartbeat. Yes, it is also true. It is also true. Done, beta? Now here is which type of food should we eat every day? Which type of food should we eat every day? Healthy and balanced diet. Healthy and balanced diet. We should eat every day healthy and balanced diet. 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 Now next is second number. Which instrument we use to check our body temperature? Which instrument we used to check our body temperature? Which instrument we use to check our body temperature? It is thermometer. It is thermometer. We use thermometer to measure our body temperature. Okay, now next is how many types of clinical thermometer are there? How many types of clinical thermometer are there? There are two types of thermometer. There are two types of thermometers. Okay, Fahrenheit and Celsius. Fahrenheit and Celsius. Now next page number 11. Fill in the blanks. Fill in the blanks. Okay, you have to give answer. First is dash invented smallpox. smallpox vaccine. Test invented smallpox vaccine. Write your answer. Edward Jenner. Dr. Edward Jenner. Jia, what is your doubt? Write your doubt, Jia. Okay, Edward Jenner. Dr. Edward Jenner invented smallpox vaccine. What is your doubt? Jia, what is your doubt, beta?
मैम
Jia, what is your doubt? Yes?
मैम आप पीडीएफ भेजोगे?
Yes, beta.
ओके मैम.
Yes, PDF में भेजूंगी, पर आपने तो बोला you have a doubt.
यही
बेटा
पूछना था
PDF तो
मैम.
मैं सेंड करूंगी ही आपको.
तो मैं आपने कल आपने वो जो
Beta, you have to write in chat box. Okay? Now everyone, if you have any doubt, you have to write in chat box. Write your doubt in chat box. Don't write that you have a doubt. Yes, Daksh. I said many times, Daksh, happy birthday, but I think you were not present on that time. So once again, happy birthday, Daksh. Atman, beta, write your doubt. Beta, 9825. I think it's Navya. Don't give
Ma'am.
stickers.
मैं आपने एसएस का एसएस की फिंगर ब्लैंक्स और एमसीक्यू तो नहीं भेजी पीडीएफ. मैम
दोनों PDF आज मैं साथ में भेजूंगी, वर्कशीट और टेक्स्ट बुक. ओके?
मैम
Everyone, write your doubt in chat box. I will send you the PDF for worksheet also and textbook also. Okay? Okay, Manan. Okay, beta. Last page, page number 11. Sir Edward Jenner invented smallpox vaccine. Okay, now chemical. Second is chemical used to kill germs. Kill germs are antiseptics. Okay, are antiseptics. Okay, now Death invented the penicillin. Penicillin invented by Sir Alexander Fleming. Sir Alexander Fleming invented penicillin. Done? If you don't have place here, you can write your answer this side. Okay? Now fill in the blanks. Malaria is caused by the bite of mosquito. Malaria is caused by the bite of mosquito. Okay, now second is quinine is used to cure malaria. 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 Okay, now next is Sir Alexander Fleming invented penicillin. 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 Done. Now, to kill the germs, antiseptics. To kill the germs, we used antiseptics. Antiseptics. To kill the germs, we use antiseptics. Done. Okay, now next is Galileo. Answer in one word. Who invented microscope? Microscope is invented by Galileo. Microscope is invented by Galileo. Who invented smallpox vaccine? Who invented smallpox vaccine? Dr. Edward Jenner. Dr. Edward Jenner. Dr. Edward Jenner. Done, beta? Now your homework is to question bank of chapter number 3 and 11 in your worksheet. Do chapter number 3 and 11 question bank in your worksheet. Do everyone noted your homework? Okay, so now tomorrow we will do our next chapter. Okay, colonial rules. Okay, it is related to history. You will read in this chapter that how was our history and how the Britishers came in our country and then what happened. Okay everyone, so now take care.